I've worked with 3T since their inception almost, in 2000, so 22 years now. Once upon a time we used to run Arctics, but as you can see from what we've got in the background, it's all rigid vehicles now, because we did find a niche in the market between full load carriers and the pallet networks, and that's the niche we seem to have filled successfully. So we run 30 vehicles, all the same size, all with high bodies for some of the customers that 3T have that need high volume and less weight, such as Recticel and Limpac. And we run all over the country. The lads leave on a Sunday, Monday and come back on a Friday. And we work for various companies throughout the UK during the week. Well, when 3T took over at Variplast, I was already working there on behalf of Wincanton. And the size of trucks that I had then, very large, 7.5 tonners, with large curtain-sided bodies, it enabled us to fill the truck with the volume, and so we were really handy to Variplast and cost-effective to run the 7.5 tonners instead of Arctics. So we continued that with 3T, and then as 3T got another customer, fortunately enough they had faith in us to take us along with them, and so now, 20 years on, 22 years on, we're still there, and we still operate. A third of our income is all through 3T, which is it's brilliant. So they've helped my company, and hopefully I've helped theirs succeed over the years. Working with 3T helps my company because their IT is something I don't have to do myself, because it's all automatically there. So we're using their apps and learning from them, their IT and learning from that, and they're going out and getting new customers, and so I don't need a representative selling my company, because I'm picking up work from them. I know that in this industry there is quite a lot of privacy. Some hauliers like to just keep their work to themselves and not share with others. That was an old attitude that I took on in the early days, but then you realise that we're not in competition with each other, we're there to help each other. And when you realise that and you work with somebody like 3T, it helps your company grow, and it's certainly helped my company grow.